direction, without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these. You gotta be nice for what to these.
What is up, you guys? It's Jerika. Welcome to my channel. So this MAC Aaliyah collection, we all know that it was petitioned years ago. Everybody signed. Oh, it's so oily. Everybody signed a petition to get MAC to finally release something for Aaliyah, because you know they had a Bomb Selena collection. I got absolutely nothing from that collection. So I was like, Aaliyah, she was my favorite singer. Like, I grew up loving her. I had her pictures all over my wall. So I was like, I don't even shop MAC like that. And y'all know the only other MAC stuff that I had bought when I did my first high-end haul, which I'll link up here, I took all that MAC back because it didn't match my skin. It was too yellow, and I literally took that stuff back after I did the video. So when I found out that they were going to do a MAC collection, I was like, yes, finally a MAC collection. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm buying it. And then when they finally showed us what it was, and I was like, and I know her brother had a lot to do with what they chose, but a lot of the stuff I'm not understanding, especially this bronzer, but we're gonna get into that. Yeah, we're gonna get into all that. I only got 4 items. I wanted to get more, but honestly it costs a lot, and I got 4 items, so I spent an arm and a leg on these little 4 items. So it's okay though, because half of them are going back. No, like 90% of this is going back. But then anyway, before I get into what's going on, I'm gonna put this on first before I do anything. Just my Ruby Kisses lip revitalizer. I really love this stuff. By the way, if you're unaware, today is my birthday. I turned 28 today, so happy birthday to me. So if you're not aware that Denny's, if it's your birthday and you can prove it with your ID, you get a free Grand Slam breakfast, and you cannot beat that. We do it every year for our birthday. It's like our little twin sister thing. So officially MAC released this Aaliyah collection June 25th, and I literally set an alarm for 10 a.m. Central Time to go ahead and purchase it. And when I went to the website, obviously I had to wait in line so I can purchase. And then when I saw everything and then finally bought my stuff, I was like, ooh, I'm so excited. And the thing that I was excited for the most was this bronzer. I ordered it. I ordered the bronzer and then the red lipstick, and I was so excited. I couldn't wait for it to get here. And then it got into stores June 26th, which was the next day. No, June 21st, 22nd. I don't know. I can't remember. Anyway, it was in stores the next day after it launched online, and I went and swatched this bronzer, and I'm like, how is MAC going to make a makeup line about a black woman and then make products that black women can't even wear? I was blown away, and I honestly wish that I hadn't went online and ordered the bronzer before going to the store and swatching it first. I was so disappointed, you guys. But before I continue to announce my disappointment, I do want to try it on my skin first before I initially make a decision. But after swatching it on my hand and trying to rub it on my face in the store, I'm like, MAC, what were you thinking? Like, Aaliyah is a black woman. Why are you making a bronzer that black women can't even wear? Like, what was your goals? And I'm like, if her brother has something to do with this, Aaliyah couldn't even wear this bronzer. Anyway, like I said, we're gonna see. I'm gonna see how, if it turns out better with using an actual brush or something before I completely judge it. But this is what it looks like. So the packaging, I love the packaging. I love that it has her signature on it. And I like how they named everything. Like, this is called bronzing powder, and it's named Baby Girl. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, it's so slippery. So it looks like this, you guys. Like, look how light this is. This is lighter than my skin color. So there ain't no way it's gonna bronze anything on my body, okay? Like, whose bronzer is this? That's all I want to know. So then I thought about, I was like, okay, well, obviously it's not going to be a bronzer because this ain't for black people. But then I thought, well, it has a little shimmer to it, so maybe I can use it as a highlighter. So I'm gonna try and see if it works as that. I don't think it will. We're gonna see. So the first product that we're testing is the bronzer. So let me go ahead and dip my brush in it. I'm really hoping, like, this is literal first impression, so I have not used this on my face at all ever. So let me just see.
Bruh.
You guys. Nothing. Like, I could pile this on my face. Okay, now I'm starting to see a little bit of shimmer. But y'all can't even, it ain't even showing up on camera. And camera don't lie. Like, normally the camera be telling you the truth. But this, you guys, this is the side without nothing. This is the side with the bronzer. This, you guys, I really had high hopes for this. I really did. I really want this to be like, I could not wait to get this. But I am highly disappointed. What was MAC thinking making a bronzing powder that black people can't even wear? Like, she's a black woman, so why wouldn't you make a powder that she couldn't even wear? And it's about her. So that's one thing I'm getting back. So that was what, $23.50 that I'm getting back. The next thing is called Try Again. This is like a nude lipstick. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. I've already worn this though, and I don't like it, so I'm definitely taking this back too. But I'm just gonna swatch it real quick so y'all can see. So it's really creamy. I hope you guys can see the color. I'm using my Canon T3i. I just don't have autofocus, so if I move around a lot, you won't be able to see. I mean, it'll go out of focus, but this is what it looks like. So it's a really pretty nudie color, but then when I actually wore it, I'm like, I don't really like it. I'm just gonna do it really quick on my lips. Now, obviously, you know, I would have to wear this with a brown lip liner, and I did that, and I would insert a picture over here when I wore it with the brown lip liner, and I'm like, it has potential to be cute, but I don't like it, and I don't like it. I feel like this just washed out my lips and made me look like I'm sick. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that on off. See there, my lips already look better just by wiping that off. I don't know, like that lipstick it blends in with my skin, I feel like, and it makes my lips look washed out. So if you do wear that, if you're my skin tone, you definitely gonna have to use a brown lip liner or something to differentiate, like give it some definition. But like I said, even when I wore it with a brown lip liner, I did not like it. So this lipstick was $18.50. So I'm getting $23.50 back, and I'm getting $18.50 back. So the next thing I bought was the Hot Like. So this was the red lipstick. I haven't used this yet, so this would be a first impressions for this. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this. So this is what it looks like. And I'm kind of disappointed only because it looks really red on camera, but this is burgundy. On the website, this looks like a fire red, like hot like fire. So I'm like, ooh, I gotta get that. But now that I'm looking at it, it's more like a burgundy color. It's definitely burgundy. So let me go ahead and see how this looks really quick. And this is not going to be like proper, smooth, perfect application, because these are just first impressions. So I'm just trying it out. This is how, like, I'm really not liking this camera because it looks super red on camera, but in person it is not. It's legit like a burgundy. It's red, but it ain't red. Like, it's not red like this. So I don't really have anything bad to say about this. Like, I can't give it no wear test or nothing, like I said, because this is legit first impressions. But it's not bad, but I don't feel like I need to have this color because I have so many red lipsticks and they're matte, and I like matte red lipsticks, and I don't actually know what this is supposed to be. It is supposed to just be like satin or matte. Let me see. It just says amplified cream, and I don't wear MAC like that, so I don't know what amplified cream is. Are those like satin lipsticks or whatever? I'm not really sure, but I don't think I'm going to keep that. It really sucks, you guys. Like I said, I had such high hopes for this. I had such high hopes. I feel like okay, I tasted some of this makeup wipe and it was really disgusting. Whew. All right, so on to the last thing from MAC. For this Aaliyah collection, this honestly is the only thing that I love this lip gloss. This is Lily's Motor City. It's their lip glass, and it is really orangey peachy color. Like, when I bought this, I'm like, girl, why are you buying it? It's like, this ain't gonna look right. But then after I put it on, I was like, oh. And now I see what the hype is about MAC lip glosses, because they last a super long time. This lip gloss is so pretty, and I wore this in my Instagram on my picture. If you're following me on Instagram, you've already seen it. If you ain't following me, then what are you doing? I will link that picture up in here. And like, this lip gloss is bomb. I'm gonna put it on real quick. Now you obviously could line this with a brown lip liner and make it look better. But honestly, let me fix this real quick. Honestly, you don't really need it because in the picture that I just showed you guys, I didn't have on any brown lip liner. I wore it just like this. And it's so pretty. I love this lip gloss. So I got the Hot Like lipstick and the bronzing powder from MAC Cosmetics. So I will be going to MAC to return these. And then I got the lip gloss and the nude lipstick from Ulta. So these are going back to Ulta. If I can find my coupon, if I can find my receipt. I know I got it somewhere. Like I literally just stuffed it somewhere. Hopefully I can find it because I want my money back for this so bad. The other things they had was like a cherry lip gloss. They had like a really dark vampy lip gloss. I didn't buy that because I didn't like the consistency of it. I feel like with those colors they look better as matte. Even though Aaliyah wore more glossy colors, so I can see why they did the lip gloss. And also they had a lipstick that was like a dark purple with glitter, or black with glitter in it. Well, also, what was next? They also had some lip pencils. I didn't get those. I just don't feel like I need to spend $18 on a lip pencil. So yeah, like the collection, the eyeshadow palette, I definitely was not paying $32 for those eyeshadows that are no bigger than a penny. Like I don't think that they're bad. Like I've seen people make some really pretty eyeshadow looks with the palette, but I'm just like, I just don't want to drop $32 on this Libby Deal palette. Like Morphe has palettes for like $23 and they are bomb. So I just can't bring myself to spend $32 on that eyeshadow palette. As much as I wanted it because Aaliyah's name was on it, I'm like, nah, I can't. I just cannot bring myself to do it. So out of the entire collection, the only thing that I like really like, is Lily's Motor City lip gloss, and that one sold online in minutes, you guys. Like when I refreshed my browser, this was gone. Like as quick as I refreshed it, this has sold out. And when I was looking at it online, I'm like, I don't know why that sold out. That's like my least favorite of the whole collection. And then when I went in the store and swatched it, I'm like, oh, I have to get it. So I'm taking everything back. So I'm getting back $60 and I can't wait. Okay, so I might go get some other stuff with it, or I might just take my money back.
And I want my pink shirt back! I want my pink shirt back!
I'm not exactly sure yet. But yeah, so if you're thinking about buying the Aaliyah collection, I highly recommend the Lily's Motor City if it's still in stock in your area, because it was sold out online, and I'm pretty sure they're not restocking. If you can get that, cool. Like if you like the bronzer, like maybe if you're a Caucasian, you could probably use the bronzer. There's no hate there. I'm just surprised that they make a bronzer based on a black woman and black people can't even wear the bronzer. So I find that highly disturbing and very confusing. So leave your comments below what you think. I honestly think this collection could have done way better. And like I know a lot of people bought it just because Aaliyah's name on it, and I feel like they made it and just did whatever because they know people was gonna buy it just because Aaliyah's name was on it. And that's true for a lot of people, but I personally can't waste money. I am not somebody that can waste money. I can't do it. I can't do it. I don't care who name is on it, okay? If I don't like it, I'm not just gonna keep it so it could be in my collection. Like if I'm not gonna use it, I'm taking it back. So that's my thoughts on the collection. I honestly don't feel like it's a dire need. Like if you don't have the money to get it, don't feel bad, because you really ain't missed out on nothing. Like I said, the only thing I really like is this lip gloss. But I'm going to end the video here. I don't want to go on forever because I think this video is already like 20 minutes. But I just wanted y'all to know what I thought about it. So yeah, so if you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. And don't forget to check out my blogs. They will be in the description bar below. My travel blog, if you want to become a travel agent, is also below. And my fashion beauty blog, which I have not written on in a while, but I'm going to start being more consistent with that. But I just have a lot that I need to do mentally first before I dive in, and I have a new business venture and stuff, so I'm like, I have to do some self-care for a little while before I do all of that. So anyway, just go ahead and visit it and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. So that's pretty much it. So I thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.